Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes with Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, open camera on your device. Then, make sure that you have the photo mode selected and make sure to switch to the rear camera. If you have the frontal camera enabled, switch to the rear one by tapping right here. Then, tap the 4 circles icon to open quick settings menu and tap the gear icon to open camera settings. In camera settings, just make sure the scan QR codes feature is enabled. Then, face your rear camera at the QR code, and once your phone sees the QR code, you will see the link or the text or the number where your QR code leads to at the bottom of your camera screen. Just tap on it to get transferred. And as you can see, this link opened a website and it transferred us to the iMEI.info website. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.